Alright, today I am cooking a cookie. It's called a Butterfinger Crunch cookie. And everyone keeps saying, hey, you're diabetic, you need to cut down on your sugars. Every once in a while it's okay to have sugar, yeah, in moderation. And what I did was I got my ingredients: flour, oil, egg, um, baking soda, a little bit of salt. Mix that up with the butter. I didn't have any butter, so I used oil. So you mix them up in your ingredients, and then we're ready to put this in the cookie sheet. Alright, to be on the safe side, you put a little bit of oil. Now, people say, why are you using olive oil? That's all I have right here. So, I could use some lard, but I'm not going to use any lard. I'll just use some oil. Olive oil, and it's not the best olive oil, but... Oh, don't forget the cinnamon. When you are baking cookies, always will have cinnamon in there. Always have the cinnamon. Spread that out. I'm going to spread this by hand. So, I'm going to put my cookies. I'm trying to decide whether I should make one big cookie or like little cookies. I think what I'll do is make little cookies. Little cookie drops. Here we go. Drop cookie dough. Now I'm trying to figure out how this is going to turn out because it's a little bit too ran out of flour. So here are my drops of my cookie dough in here. Look at that. So once I get that settled in, actually make this a big cookie. Let's make this a big cookie. Put this all together. Alright, let's see how many more cookies I can probably get, like maybe one or two more out of this. And I was thinking, why am I making cookies on a hot summer day? Because I saw a cooking show and they were making cookies, and I said, you know what, I think I want to make myself a cookie. And I think we might be able to get one more cookie. See how this turns out. It's going to spread out evenly. I should have used a spoon instead of a fork. Anyhow, on the other side of this, we're going to have some nice cookies. I'm putting it at temperature. Some say 325, some say 350. I might have to lower the temperature of the oven. I'm going to. Here we go. Alright, some might be saying, what are you doing now, Mr. Sam? Why are you putting Cocoa Krispies on top? They're like a generic version of Cocoa Pebbles on top. I'm looking at this, and I don't know if it's going to bind together, if it's going to be too loosey-goosey. And so what I'm going to do is do almost like a Rice Krispie treat style. Put these on top. Hopefully they'll clump together, and then the final product after it's all cooked up is going to be a little bit of a Cocoa Krispie treat type of deal. Alright, this little experiment's going to see what's going to happen in probably about 7 to 15 minutes. 7 to 12 minutes, let's say that. Okay, I'm going to put them in the oven now, and in about 7 minutes we'll check up on them, see what happens, if this little experiment was successful. Alright, at this point of the experiment, we are at the finishing point. I'm about to take them out. I'm about to take them out of the oven and let them cool. Be cool, be cool. Let them rest probably for about another 5 minutes before. You want the edges browned, and this might not be a little too brown, but I think it looks okay. Didn't burn or nothing. So we'll let it sit for a little bit. Then, you know what I should do is take them out now that they're fresh. I'll take them out and put them on a plate and let them sit. So what I'm going to do is take them off. Look at this. You can tell they're soft. And they put these on the plate. And then Let them cool a little bit more. Then I will eat my cookies. My cookie, like a cookie monster. Well, that's another voice piece from my cartoons. Cookie Monster, but Cookie Monster was already copywritten by Sesame Street, by Jim Henson Corporation. Can't use that, Brother Sam. Okay, how come this cookie don't want to come out? Cookie? Alright, look at that. Ooey gooey. Oh, I put also milk duds. I chopped up some milk duds and Butterfingers. So it's a super duper cookie. There we go. This is a super crunchy cookie dookie. Not a dookie, it's a cookie. Alright, so anyway, that looks kind of nasty. That is melted milk duds. Anyway, that is what we got. So end result is a milk dud infused Butterfinger super cookie topped off with Coco crisps. I want to call them Coco Pebbles, but they're a generic version. Anyhow, I'm going to let this cool for a little bit. Look at this melted milk dud. It's all melted, melty. Alright, till next time, enjoy your cooking. Fat say lumpia, but we ain't making lumpia. We made a super cookie. Alright, say goodbye, super cookie. I'm a super cookie. Goodbye.